Here we go, guys. This is gonna be a nice, stretchy, quick bar. And we're gonna start with feet parallel. We're gonna bend our knees, arms come up, and we go towards the chair. From there, stay away from the chair a little bit, don't get too close. We extend to the side and we open up. We come back in and we go up. Again, down. Extend, push your hips out. If you've got something that you can steadily hold on to, pull away from that without pulling anything out of the wall, because that would be manic. And down, again, down. Stretch and push your hips out. Back in and up and down and stretch. Stay there into that position. Lift the same leg as the bar. Place it down. Stretch right away. And down. Stretch and go towards it. And down. And stretch and go towards it. And down. From there, we're gonna lift our knee. Keep the supporting leg nice and straight and back into bend. Lift up and bend. Lift up and bend. Lift up, hold it there and down. Very good. We're gonna go to the other side right away. From there, step away slightly from the bar. Go plie. Stretch out. Oh, this feels good once you've done it to one side. Back in. Lift up. And down. Stretch. Back in. And up. Come on, one more. And stretch. Back in. And up. And down. Stretch, back in, and up. One more, we go down, stretch it side. Very good. Lift your heel, down, release, down, stretch. Lift your heel, down, release, and down, there. Lift up, down, one more, down, stay there, hold the passe, we go up, up, push it out, and up, push it out, up, out, up, and down. Have a bit of a wiggle. We go opposite way. What are you doing over there? From there, we're gonna go in front of the bar. Up, up. Stretch back. Lift up. And down. Change leg. Up. Stretch back. Lift up. And down. Again, lift. Stretch back, back in, and down, lift, stretch back, and in, and down. Very good. From there, recomposition of everything. From there, I'm gonna turn around so you can see better. We're gonna go flat back onto the top of the chair. Out there. We're gonna go knee up, straight to the back, curl in and down. Again, nose to belly button, straight back, back in and down. Change again, in nose to belly button, straight back, and in, down, in, straight back, and in, and down. Very good. Keep that position. Last thing. Leg back. Keep that knee where it is. Just gonna bend and flex your foot. Straight back. Bend and flex. And out. Bend and flex. And out. Bend and flex. Out, bring it back in. Very good. Flat back, go. Flatten here. Straight out. Flex and bend. And out. Flex and bend. Out. Flex and bend. Out. In. Let go down. Bend your knees, roll up. And well done. Bravo, guys. I hope your body feels nice and elongated and all super duper stretched out. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and remember to come and check out Lazy Dancer Studio for exclusive workouts and workout plans. And download the app! Otherwise, I'll see you next Wednesday here on YouTube. Ciao, guys!